Hey guys, it's Meg. Welcome to my son's playroom / workout room today. I wanted to give you an example of what you are going to be working on for your dynamic video that you will record over the next week. So your dynamic warm-up video, you just need to describe and show us how to do 3 different exercises that you picked for your client. In your actual assignment, you will pick 8 exercises for your client, but I'm only asking you to record 3 for your video. So you can pick any 3. Just tell us who your client is, the exercise, describe how to do it, show us a couple reps, and then give us the time frame that you want your client to perform the exercise. So I'm going to choose a client. She is a healthy 50-year-old woman who is getting ready to do a cardio kickboxing class. So the 3 exercises I'm going to show you are jumping jacks, arm circles, and high knees. And I will show you a modification if needed for each of those. So first exercise is a jumping jack. We're going to start with our feet together and hands by our side. We're going to step our feet out, and as we jump out or step out, our hands come up over our head and then straight back down as our feet come together. So we're going to do it together. Go straight up and then back down, up and down, up and down. Okay? Abs are nice and tight. If the client needed a modification, a great modification for this as opposed to the jumping would just be step to the side and out, back together, and then other side, out and back together, okay? I would have my client perform that for 30 seconds. So that is jumping jack, exercise number 1, performed for my client for 30 seconds. Exercise number 2 is going to be arm circles. I'm going to have my client extend their arms straight out, and then we are going to start with small circles. So nice small circles, and we're going to go in a clockwise direction to start. And as we continue to lengthen our time, our circles are going to become a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger. We're going to do this for 30 seconds in the clockwise direction, and then after the 30 seconds, we'll go in the counterclockwise direction. And again, getting bigger and bigger. Abs are nice and tight, and the client should be able to exercise or warm up their upper body. Shoulders should feel pretty warm after that exercise. So 30 seconds in the clockwise direction, 30 seconds in the counterclockwise direction, okay? And then our third exercise is going to be high knees. So for a client who doesn't like to jump, we're simply going to stand feet shoulder width apart. We can put our hands straight out if we so choose, and then knee just comes up and tries to touch our hand. So this is an option for high knees. If we have an individual who's in pretty good shape, my 50-year-old woman is in good shape because she's going to do cardio kickboxing, so she can actually do it in more of a running style. Abs are nice and tight, and knee comes right up to our chest. Okay, so straight up. Again, I have my client do that for 30 seconds. Okay, so just a reminder that your videos, I don't expect you to be professionals by any means. The idea here is really that if we were in class, you would be doing this in front of the class. So the beauty of the video is, I guess if you don't like the shot, you can redo it. But don't get picky on your videos. I really just want you to demonstrate 3 of your exercises. Pick 3 that you're comfortable with. Demonstrate them for us. And then we're going to have a little group chat, a little classroom discussion coming up in the following week too. Okay, so remember, keep them nice, short and sweet, less than 5 minutes, and just 3 exercises. So I look forward to seeing what all of you guys do in the upcoming week. I think it'll be really fun to share the videos with each other. So I will see you all in cyberspace soon.